Pussycats Camping. I'm Sue, the other half. I'm talking because I've got some footage I'd like to show you. I actually stole the camera off Trev and took some footage of 2 camper vans whilst we were at Camp Creator 2021. I've got many people I would like to thank. Firstly, I'd like to thank Steve and Lindsay Radford, Roman Radfords, for running the event, and for the marshals and the people behind the scenes that also helped, and obviously Phil. Woollycod Wanderers were very kind. They let me look around their camper van, and also the Yorkshire Motorhomers. They made our stay very special. I also had great fun with the Extreme Motorhome Adventures, Doolittle Campers, Cat from Wandering Bird, and Wandering Womble was really sweet, and we enjoyed his company. I'd also like to mention Herman Hits the Road, Ads and Zoe. They were the first people to greet us, and we had great fun with them too. So I hope you enjoy the footage that you're about to see. I'm sure it's not so professional as what Trev would manage, but I hope you enjoy it. Right, we're currently at Camp Creator 2021. We've been here since Thursday. This is no Saturday. The weather's absolutely glorious, and Steve Radford has come up with these fantastic stickers. You can actually scan them and they take you to your site, so that's really good. We've got lots of different motorhomes here, lots of self builds which are lovely. We're surrounded by fellow YouTubers. We're having a fabulous time. I'm going to go and ask the Woollycod Wanderers if I can film their lovely camper van. I fell in love with it yesterday. Hi, this is Jane and Graham, and they've made me so welcome. We're having a fabulous time, and I absolutely love their motorhome. They built it themselves. It took 2 years of hard work. So you've got this lovely door that slides open, and I really love the curtains. They're Laura Ashley, and they've got birds on. So the beautiful wood, and I love these bench seats. This L-shaped lounge area. You can just sit here and spread your legs out and look outside. They've got lots of windows, so it's lovely and bright, so you can see all round. And this is the cab, so you can see into the cab, and then you've got all these windows here. So there's another one here. And this is all freshly dusted.
I don't think so, and I'm going to nip out so Sue can do the rest of it.
I'm sorry.
Because I'm just cleaning up the pots.
Oh, you are busy.
That's absolutely fine.
And you definitely need to get that on tape.
Yeah. So this is the kitchen area. Oh yeah, you've got your homemade. You've even got a matching blind on that window when you slide it across. That's fab. Look at that. Oh, that's brilliant. I didn't see that yesterday. And I like your little chickens at the top. They're lovely. And the other thing I really like, you've got these little shelves where you can put all your knickknacks on. And then down here, you've got this lovely little fairy door. And lots of little toadstools around it. And you've got these lovely grey doors with the dark handles, and then across here you've got your sink, and then storage underneath. There's a fridge underneath there, and here's the solid door. This goes into the bathroom, so you come into the bathroom, look at your view while you're sitting on the toilet. Look, these doors open wide so you can look outside, and they've made so much good use of space, because if you look down, you've got the toilet which you remove, and then you can stand in the shower, and you've got your curtain that surrounds you. So this is the curtain rail up here, and then I'll scan down. This is the wash basin, and more cupboards. So you've got plenty of storage. Got a cupboard down there. Walk round here, and there's cupboards down here. I'm a bit too close, so I'll just step back. See, we've got cupboards at the back here as well, look. And then obviously storage, hanging rails and racks and things on the back doors. and all their stickers. So this is the view when you stand back. So it's absolutely fantastic. I love it. Thanks ever so much for letting me have a look. I think this is probably very, very amateur.
No, very professional.
And everyone's got to start somewhere.
Exactly.
So you go from this one and, you know.
Thank you very much. So while we've been here, we've been next to all the Yorkshire Motorhomes, Tracy and Kev, and we had a fabulous time with them. Got lots in common, and they have borrowed this little camper van, or not borrowed it, but loaned it, because while they're having theirs sorted. I think the bedroom was a little bit of a compromise. Tracy said it was a bit like sleeping on a bit of concrete. So it's a beautiful little Volkswagen. And in here, so if you look up there, there's a bed, the push-up bit. You just pull it down when you want to go to bed, or you've got this lovely rock and roll bed that you can make into a double. It's all beautifully done. Really well made. Cupboards everywhere.
Oh, she'd find it very hilarious if you said.
And then obviously you've got your sink and your 2-burner hob.
Well,
And underneath you've got little fridge, tiny fridge. There's storage underneath the bench. And then obviously around the front is good use of space with the chairs, because you've got a double one that actually swings round, so you can sit 4 people in here quite comfortably. And then obviously there is a sun canopy, which you can only just about see. If I stand back, you can see why these appeal to people, because they're so easy to park and they look really, really stylish. And then at the back, this is the Yorkshire Motorhomes sticker. And at the back, you've got more storage. There's some cupboards where you can store stuff there, and then there's storage space underneath, and a tow bar. So I think that's lovely. So we're also so excited to be with Michelle and Andy, Extreme Motorhome Adventures. So we had such a laugh last night. And Michelle's
Fabulous husband. Shattering.
and Michelle's and Andy have been on a bike ride.
There's a bit of lycra.
Yeah, yes, you didn't think you had any lycra, but you managed to find some, didn't you?
There's always some hidden away in a cupboard somewhere.
Did you look round the cathedral?
No, we didn't go there. We went all out in the countryside.
Oh, lovely.
I just came over actually to say we're going to go for a little walk over there. Want to come out for a
Oh, yes.
coffee or a drink?
Yes, I'd love to go for a walk.
Yeah.
Are you going to go, Trev?
I think I might be coming.
Yeah, that's good.
He's got ice cream in mind as well.
Yeah, lovely. You heard the ice cream van.
We missed that as well.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the ice cream.
Timing's rubbish.
oh, never mind. You've had fun.
We have.
That's a really, really hot day, isn't it?
He's ready.
Oh,
Yeah,
here we are.
What's the plan?
So
What we're
here's
doing?
Andy,
Hello.
freshly back from his cycle ride. So we're going to go for a walk. Is that right?
Into town.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only a little walk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gotta be careful.
So-
They're a bit hot.
Yeah. We're going to take them with us.
Right, well,
Yeah. All right.
yeah, and later we're going to go for a swim in the river, aren't we?
Oh, well, I have got my swimmy. I'm up for it.
It's up for anything, honestly. It's brilliant.
Yeah.
I have got it in there. Okay, I better turn off then.